Hi folks, welcome back to Raakesh Lab, a Techno Hub channel for placement training. In this session, we're going to discuss about the auto-launched flow, right? So now we'll get into scenario 6. The scenario 6 says that contact should be deleted when an account status updated to inactive. When the contact is deleted, the account status should be changed to inactive. Is it possible? Let me check this is possible, right? So now we'll get into the setup page. Under setup page, we have quick frameworks. On that, you're going to type flows, right? Quick flow. There's flow link will be displayed. You click on it, take you to the flow page, and then you're going to click on new flow, right? Now it will take you to this page. From this page, you're going to select the auto launch flow, right? And then click on create button. Once you click on create button, then it asks you to show you a diagram whether you want to go with a free flow or you want to go with the auto layout flow. I'll go with the free flow. Then it will take you to the new delete record page here. Now I'm going to give the label name as delete the records, API name, and then how to find the record to delete. I'll go with specific condition and which object you're going to select. With here, I'm going to select the contact object. After you do this, then records, under the records, filter the contact records here. I'm going to specify. So what is that? I'm going to specify the condition, right? So here already said delete the record using the specific condition, right? After this, I'm going to select the object. Once the object is selected, then I'm going to specify the condition. What is my filter of contact record here? Account ID is equal to account ID, right? I'm going to map it here. After mapping here, right? And then I will click on resource here, and then I have to select the variable. So this account ID has to be created, right? For this, I have to select the new resource, right? Click on new resource, and then create a variable. So now you select the variable. The resource type is going to be variable. Account name is equal to account ID, and then data type is going to be text. And what is it? Availability outside the flow. Here, available for input, you're going to specify, and then so that the account ID variable will be created and it will be mapped. So once it is mapped, now click on done. Now the auto launch flow has been created. Now the auto launch flow has been created, but it will work only on the background, right? Like screen flow, we cannot able to create action to it. Immediately, I cannot able to create action in the screen flow. How I did it in the screen flow, I cannot do it. But this flow will be working at the background, right? But I can implement this only through the process builder. I can implement this only through the process builder. Now we'll get into demo to how to create an auto launch flow. Now we'll get into demo how to create an auto launch flow. So now move to the production environment, right? I move to the production environment and close this. See, now I'm in the production environment. I'm under setup, right? I'll click on flows. Already the quick point of the type flow now. Click on flow. Now I'm going to click on new flow, right? A new flow will be created now. So now new flow will be displayed. Now what I'm going to do? I'm going to select auto launch flow. I'm going to select auto launch flow now. Now click on next one. Now it is asking how do you want to start building a flow? Either you go with the free form or go with the auto launch flow. I'll go with free form, right? And then after this, click on free flow. Now it is coming to the flow builder. It's coming to the flow builder, right? So now what I have to do? I have to delete the record, right? I'm going to delete the record here. So what is it here? See, the screen flow will not be available. In the auto launch flow, screen flow will not be available. I cannot able to launch my screen flow. Instead, I can go with the assignment, decision, pause, looping, collection sort, or create record, update record, get record, delete record. I'll go with the delete record. I'm going to drag and drop it and say delete record. So moment I drag and drop the delete record, right? The new record, new delete record window is being shown here. I'm going to say delete record, right? So then they're asking the description and how to find records to delete. Use the ID stored in a record variable or record collection variable or the second option specific condition. I go with the specific condition. And that is the case, delete record of this object type, which object from which object you can delete the record, that you have to specify here. I'll go with the contact object. Right, after selecting the contact object, now I'm going to specify the condition, right? filter contract record conditions are met. Now what is my condition? Now I have to specify account ID is equal to, now I have to create a account ID here. I have to create a account ID, right? I have to create account ID. For this I'm going to click on new resource, and resource type is going to be variable, and here I say account ID, right? Description and data type is going to be text, right? And I want to say available for him. So then after this, then right, I'll click on done. Right now the field is equal to account ID. That is the case. Right then, so the what is that? If both are equal, then that particular record will be deleted. Right now, click on done button. Now the flow has been created. Now what I'll do? I have to connect it, select it, and then connect it. Right after this, then what I have to do? I have to save this flow. Right now, I have to save this flow by deleting the record. Right. So once, if you want, you can give the description deleting the record auto launched flow. Right, and then click on save. So once it is done, right, I'm going to click on activate button. Right, it has been activated. Now go back here. Right, but now here I cannot perform the action. I cannot do the action. The action is not performed. But what I have to do? I have to go with the process filter, and then I have to start doing it, right. So now again, I'll go back to my PPT. So as I told you now, the auto launch flow has been created. Now that has to be implemented. The action will be implemented with the process filter only. Now I'm going to start a new process filter. So I'm going to give the name account insert or update. That is the name of the process with the record getting changed or update, right? When the process will start, the account, when the record changes. After that, I'm going to click on save. Once then I have to create the object. Now I have to assign the object to accounts, right? When the record is created or edited, that is on select, and then going to click on save. This is the first step. After that, the second step is that now you're going to select the criteria. You click on criteria. Then what is the criteria here? Account, that is the criteria. I'm going to click on criteria. Here, where the criteria name is inactive, the condition is met. What is it? Account is equal to no. Account, right? I'm going to say account ID is equal to no. Right? That is going to be inactive, right? And I'm going to select accounts is equal to no. Right? Pick list from the pick list accounts, account ID is equal to no. And I'm going to select it. After selecting this, right, I'm going to click on save. So that is here. I'm going to say account, right, active. Account active, I'm going to select active picture. Account active is equal to no. So when the account active is no, when the account is not active, I'm going to delete the record. Now means that the condition is account inactive. Right, account inactive. I'm going to select this. After selecting this, I'm going to save it. After saving it, right, now the condition has been in account ID. After this, now I'm going to specify the action. After this, I'm going to specify the action. What is the action type is going to be flow? What is the action name? Calling the account flow, right? So the flow is going to be delete record, deleting the record flow. And what is the flow variable? Account ID field reference. So that is going to be account ID, account.id, right? So account.id, and then account ID field reference account.id. Then you're giving this flow variable, and then click on save, and then you're going to click on save. Right, account ID, right? They're going to save it. After saving it, now process builder has to be activated. To just go to account, select the expose record, and go to accounts. I have to select the expose record, set the active field to no, and save the record, and click on the related page. Click on the contact. You can see that contact will have no records. The records got deleted. Got it? So now what I'll do? I'll go to demo now. Now I'll go to demo now. Right? I'll go to demo now. Right. So I'm going to get into demo, and I'm going to create the process builder now. Right. I'm going to implement my action flow. I'm going to implement my flow into my process builder. Right. Now I'm on the setup page. Now here the big file box, I'm going to type process builder. Right now, click on process builder. And I'm going to create a new process. Click on new. Record updation. So API name I've done it. Description also record updation. I'm going to give and selection process. Right, the record changes. I'm going to select the first option and click on save. Now it will take me to my process builder. What is it? Record updation, that is structure. You take it to my structure. Now I have to select the object, add object. I'm going to select the accounts object. Right, I'm going to select the accounts object. Now I have to select the criteria. Now after this, start the process when the record is credited or edited. That I'm going to select it, and then I have to click on save. Right, first thing is I have to select the object. When the record is created or edited, selected, and then I'm going to click on save. I've done the same now. Now click on criteria. Now criteria name. What is the criteria name? So account. I'm going to say inactive. The criteria name is inactive. The condition is met. What is the condition met? What is the condition? Select the field now. Account. Right. Account. Active. Right. Active. Choose is equal to no. Account active is equal to no. That here I'm going to say, right, all the conditions met, and then I'm going to click on save. This is my condition. I'm going to save. After saving this, I'm going to perform the action. Right. I'm going to click on add action now. Now I'm going to action type is going to be flow. Right. Now what is the action name? That is delete flow. Delete records. Right. I'm going to use the action name delete record. And what is the flow here? I have to select the auto launch flow. Find an auto launch flow, deleting a record. See here. I'm going to delete the auto launch flow. Now I have to set the variable. Add the row now. Now here accounts. I have to select the account ID. Right. So like I'll go with the field reference, and I have to give the reference here. Right. So account, field reference, account ID given here. After this, I'm going to click on save. Right. Now I have saved the action now. After action has been saved. Now once the action has been saved, now again I'll tell you, I have selected the accounts object, and when the object is created and edited, I have selected the object criteria. Once that is done, after saved it, then I have selected the criteria. What is my criteria? Especially the criteria whether the account active is going to be, the account is going to be inactive, right? So that case I'm going to delete the record, right? So now I'm going to click on active button, activate button. So I'll confirm it. After confirming this, right? After confirming this, now we'll go back here. Right. So now back to the setup page. Now what I'll do, I have to go to the process builder, right? So now I have to go to the what is it, app launcher. Click on app launcher. In the app launcher, select Pharma app. Select the Pharma app. On the Pharma app, now click on accounts. Select all accounts. And you're going to select Salesforce. Salesforce now. No, Salesforce now. Now Salesforce here. In the Salesforce record, we have Jack Lawrence and Siddharth Nadekar is there. Jack Lawrence and Siddharth Nadekar is there. I'll go to the detail page. Right. The related page you can see under Salesforce. Under account, these are the two contacts are there. Now I have to remove these two contacts, right? I want to remove these two contacts. That case, what I'll do, I'll go and I'll go to active. I'll make it as. So where is active now? Account active. Now I'll say no. Account active. I'll say no. Now it is not active, right? I'll say no, and then I'm going to click on save. So when I say no, right, when the account is no, then what if the contact has to remove from the contact? It has to be removed from the contact, right? Now go to related page and see here. Now see, there is no anything in the contact. There is no anything in the contact, right? There is no anything in the contact. The contact got deleted, right? Again, I click on accounts. See now, I'll click on escort. Earlier you can see if you go to detail page, right? Detail page under contact, you are able to see all the record. But now, right, when I made this active type to no, right, whatever there is 2 records was there in the contact object, right, got deleted now. Means that particular auto launch flow has got into action. Auto launch flow has got into action. So this is how the auto launch flow can be configured using process builder. This is how the auto launch flow can be configured using a process builder, right? I think you guys would have understood the concept, right? Hope you understood the auto launch flow also. So from the morning we were discussing about the flows in the different scenarios. I think you should have understood in a better manner. In case we have any doubts, you can contact me at info.iwavelabs@gmail.com and please subscribe to my channel, or in case you need to contact me, yes, you can contact 855079168 or 8142000037. Right? Please click on subscribe button and click on like button without forgetting, and then click on bell icon. Please study this flow properly. It is very, very important. This topic is very important. I clearly explained this concept here in this section. Try to complete your Trailhead also with respect to flow, process builder, and everything, process automation modules and everything. And please don't forget to subscribe and click on like button and click on your bell icon. So it's Raakesh iWave, a Techno Hub channel for placement training. In case you want have to send a mail, in case you want to send a mail, send a mail to info.iwavelabs@gmail.com. Please be safe, right? Stay tuned. Bye bye.